Welcome to Paxful School, your one-stop guide for learning all the ins and outs of our platform. Bitcoin trading can be a risky business. Though trading on our platform is always safe and secure, there are sometimes people out there that don't always have the best intentions. Luckily for Paxful customers, there is a reliable system we can count on: Escrow. What is Escrow? By definition, Escrow is a third-party service that holds all of the assets until a contract or exchange is complete. Let's say you're looking to buy Bitcoin on Paxful with an iTunes gift card. After scrolling and searching, you've finally found an offer that matches your preferences. As soon as the trade begins, the vendor's Bitcoins are immediately locked on our wallet and placed into Escrow. This is meant to protect you and ensure that the vendor doesn't run away with your gift card details and the Bitcoin that he or she owes you once you've made your payment. After fulfilling all of the trade requirements and clicking Mark as paid, give the vendor some time to verify your payment. Once verified, the vendor will unlock and release the Bitcoin from Escrow and the trade will be complete. If you submit your payment and the vendor is unresponsive, you can start a dispute and a moderator will come assist you. When a dispute is initiated, the Bitcoin will remain in Escrow until the moderator reviews the details and awards the Bitcoin to the party that deserves it. It's against Paxful's terms of service to trade off Escrow. Our Escrow service is there to make your trading experience as safe as possible, and it's there for your protection. Remember to always trust the moderators and to never make off Escrow trades. For more great Paxful content, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social handles.